Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time and you want to learn English, I invite you to subscribe to Hi Amanda. If you are a Hi Amanda loyal follower, welcome back. I'm so excited. Today is the first day in a long time since I have posted a video. So my life changed a lot in the last 2 months. I think everybody's life changed a lot in the last few months. But my life changed a lot, and I decided to tell you guys a little story of how my life changed and give you an English lesson of how you can tell a story using the words first, then, next, and finally. Are you guys ready for this English lesson? Come on, let's go. Hi. Let's go. I am so happy you have decided to come watch this lesson and practice English with me. You can practice your listening and comprehension because I will tell you a story, and you can also practice in the comments. Tell me your story using the words first, then, next, and finally. Before I start my story, I want to remind you guys to like this video, give this video a like, and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I have a lot of English tips and content there for you guys. Okay, are you ready for this story? Obviously, you see that I am in a new place. Well, not obviously. If you are a Hi Amanda loyal follower, this is a new kind of video and place. There's a little kitchen here, lots of clocks, a printer. I am in an office. Let's start our story. A lot of mystery, but also a lot of happy things. Are you guys ready to hear the story of how my life changed in the last couple of months? First, I moved to a new apartment. I moved downtown, and the rent is a little more expensive. So I decided I needed a steady income. Yes, income is the money I make. Steady is like consistent. Because, guys, I'm a freelancer. I have always worked as a freelancer, translator, teacher, interpreter. So every week is different. But first, I moved to a new apartment and I decided I needed a steady income so I could pay my bills stress-free. Then the universe is amazing. My friend called me and made me an offer. He said, "Hey, Amanda, I am opening an office and I need an executive assistant. Are you interested in the job?" So I said, it depends. I think I am. Next, I accepted his offer and I started working at this office from Monday to Friday. And that's why I'm recording the video here. Finally, I have decided that if I record videos at home, I am always tired when I arrive, guys. I'm so tired because I work at the office and I continue to teach and work as an interpreter. So I'm still a freelancer and I have like 4 jobs. This job, interpreter, teacher, translator. So finally, I have decided to record videos right here for you guys. And that's why we are here right now. And I invite you to like this video. Tell me your story in the comments first, then next, finally, what happened? I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, easy English lesson. And I will see you very soon right here in the office for the next Hi Amanda English lesson. Sounds good? Bye guys! Don't forget, watch more videos because I have a lot to teach you. I'll see you soon.